Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to pin post in personal Facebook account. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So to pin my own post, I'm going to my Facebook profile, and for example I want to pin this post, so I'm clicking on this three dot and I'm clicking on pin post, and here you can see the post has been pinned, and the pinned post will appear in very top of our Facebook profile. So as you can see, I'm going to pin another post. So this one, pin post, and so here we can see the post is pinned to the very top of my Facebook profile. So this was how we can pin post. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.